Last time we created Docker Composer files from terminal via Nano editor, but I want to show you another approach. Instead to login via terminal and SSH, we can edit files directly from the file explorer. In this case, I'm gonna use Nemo. This is the default file explorer in the Linux Mint. Okay, now before that I want to mention that I have another alternatives to synchronize or edit files. The next options are secure copy and rsync, but these are terminal tools, command line terminal tools that I'm gonna show you in some other videos. Now in my case, I will try to log in from this virtual machine to the Debian server with IP address 1.207. For this purpose, I need to know the IP address of the virtual machine and the username accordingly, and the password for this username. From File Explorer, we need to navigate from File menu, connect to server, and from first server option we need to fill IP address. I think was 207, yes. Default port for SSH connection is 22. For though, usually we can leave it like it is for the root directory, but we can try it with the home, and the username was developer. Okay, username and the password. If you like, you can check this box. Always the File Explorer will try to connect to this IP address. And now it's time to press connect. Now this is the warning that you need to accept. We need to select walk in anyway. And now you notice that in the left corner we have mounted via secure FTP or SSH protocol entire files for Debian server, and we can now manipulate whatever we want file located on Debian server. I'm gonna switch to the tiled views, and now I can browse, for example, Docker containers directory, where we last time put the Postgres, SQL and database and pgadmin. And from here we can open with the regular text editor that is integrated in each individual Linux distribution. For example, with this text editor with the name set, but I don't like the core theme, so the easiest way is to open this directory with the Visual Studio Code like this. Right click, open with Visual Studio Code, and we need to wait a little bit. And now we need to click this checkbox, yes I trust, and we need to press over the button yes I trust the authors, and I'm gonna close the welcome screen. Now we can easily edit and manipulate whatever you want in this Docker Compose file. And of course we can launch the terminal, and for example from the terminal we can log in with the SSH, and we can start and stop or pause the Docker containers. Of course the Visual Studio Code have extension for this purpose to manipulate the Docker containers, but I'm gonna cover this topic in another video. And I think this is enough for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.